What is up, guys? Welcome to another edition of the Market Marauder Show, beating the market one trade at a time. If you're new to the Market Marauder Show, the investment channel helps you to find best deals in the market. If that's something you're interested in, make sure you hit that thumbs up. Definitely helps the YouTube algorithm promote the videos. All right, today we're going over high volume stocks that I think everybody should be watching. So this is some of the top stocks to be watching, putting on your watch list. And just bear in mind today we had a calm day. It was a market closure to go over the 4th of July, so it was observed today, but tomorrow the markets will be open. So just bear that in mind. Tomorrow we're back in action with some more trading with the markets being open. So I hope everybody had a great holiday weekend, long extended weekend. So we're gonna be back to trading tomorrow. First ticker on here is ticker sign BLIN. So this is not a new one to the list. This one has been doing well for quite some time. And let's jump into it. So, ticker sign BLIN had a week high of $8.97. Overall, after hours went up 63 cents to end at 960. So they are going to be starting at a new weekly high. Moving average 10 is above 50 and 100, and VWAP is above moving average 10. So it is going to be looking positive on both of those indicators. So the indicators that I use for doing all chart analysis are going to be the VWAP 14, moving average 10, 50, and 100. So those are all the ones that I use on the chart. Also, am using the 30-minute time interval. So if you want to make a chart, you can use whichever time interval you want, whichever indicator. Some people like Fibonacci's. These are the ones that I've used to help me just go over the chart and to see which ones are bullish. So different people use different trading strategies. This is just the one that I use. So next, I want to look at ticker sign OSG. Now they did spike up last week to $3.04, ending the week at $2.88, and then going up 2 more cents to end at $2.90. Overall, still pretty close to the 304 level. Still bullish, moving average 10 above 50 and 100. But VWAP looks kind of stagnant on this one. Going to be looking to see if it can change as time goes on, but overall still bullish. Going to be looking to see if they can retest this 287 level. Since they've tested this 287 level, ending at 290, going to be seeing if they can retest this 304 to have a new weekly high, pretty close to that weekly high to start off the week. Next, we have ticker sign NVFY. They are bullish. Moving average 10 is above 50 and 100. VWAP is above moving average 10. Nice little spike coming from this one. Now they did bounce off this low of 293, but they do have this spike right here going all the way up to $3.88, starting a new weekly high. They did fall off a little bit towards the end of trading, ending at 366, but had a nice 26-cent rally after hours to end at 392. So they are going to be starting at a new weekly high at this 392 level. So going to be seeing where they can go from there since they have surpassed this weekly high for last week. So that's ticker sign NVFY. Next, we have ticker sign ISEE. They are bullish as well. Moving average 10 is above 50 and 100. Nice little increase for the past couple of days coming from this $5.96 level or this low where they were at, kind of bouncing off the moving average 100, which is this purple line, and then going back and surpassing the moving average 50 line, which is yellow line. So since then, they've been on this continuous trajectory upward. VWAP is below moving average 10, but I suspect that's going to be changing once the market opens and more volume jumps back in. It seems like at the beginning of each trading day that volume jumps up and the VWAP jumps above moving average 10. So I'm suspecting that same pattern is going to happen for trading for next week, which will begin tomorrow. And then on here we see they ended at $7.94, and then had a nice 31-cent rally after hours to end at 8.25. So they're going to be starting at a new weekly high at 8.25, which is 20 cents above their weekly high for last week. So that's ticker sign ISEE. Make sure you keep your eyes out on them. Next, we have ticker sign PHX, which is bullish, moving average 10 above 50 and 100. VWAP has crossed moving average 10, so maybe some more sideways oscillation going on with this one between the 414 price point and the 437 price point. So between this high and the VWAP line, maybe some oscillation going on between there if we don't get this VWAP 14 to go back up above the moving average 10. Overall, still positive though, looking very bullish on this name. $4.21 is their close, but they are still very close to the 437 weekly high. So, going to be keeping a close eye on ticker sign PHX. Next, we have ticker sign HUT, which is bullish as well. Moving average 10 is above 50 and 100. Had a little lull right here where they kind of went and oscillated between this level. So kind of between the 499 level all the way down to about this 447 level. So they had a nice little oscillation for about a day, and then they start to spike back up, hitting this $5.16 weekly high. Now, after hours, they had a spike of 31 cents, ending the week overall at $5.47. So they're going to be starting at a new weekly high as well. So make sure you keep a close eye on ticker sign HUT for some more continuous upward momentum from them, having this nice little spike after hours. Next, we have ticker sign GLOP. They are bullish. Moving average 10 is above 50 and 100. VWAP is below moving average 10, but hopefully when the market opens, we can see this VWAP shoot back above moving average 10. Seems to be the trend from the past couple of days, that is the way that the pattern works. $4.11 is their weekly high, ending the week at $4.10, so only 1 cent away from their weekly high. Hopefully they can retest that and continue some bullish upward trend for next week. Next, we have ticker sign VOLT, which is bullish. Moving average 10 is above the 100, but VWAP is below moving average 10. Going to be looking to see if that can jump back up. Overall, I had this one on the list because it did have a nice little spike after hours. It ended at 490, which is only 5 cents away from 495. So even though the chart patterns are kind of all over the place and only one indicator showing positive momentum, does seem like they still had a nice little rally after hours, even though it is 2 cents to end at 490, which is very close to this 495 weekly high. So definitely going to be looking to see if they can close that 5 cent gap to retest that weekly high. Next, we have ticker sign PHAS, which is bullish. Moving average 10 above 50 and 100. VWAP is below moving average 10, but going to be looking to see if that can cross. If it does, going to be looking to see if they can retest this 386 level. It's on the list because it ended at 385 for the week, which is only 1 cent from its weekly high. So it's going to be starting off some strong momentum, even though after hour trading didn't really come to this one. It kind of stagnated at 385. Hopefully when the market opens on tomorrow, we can see an increase. And lastly on here, we have ticker sign LPCN. Now they are bullish, even though we can see that the moving average 10 is below 50 and 100. VWAP has shot up significantly, so definitely going to be looking at to see if this one can continue to grow. Nice little entry point right here at $1.48, which was their weekly high. They ended at $1.47, and then after hours went up to $1.49. So a lot of momentum coming around this one. Volume started to increase right as the market started to wind down. So I'll be keeping a close eye on this one to see if they can continue this upward trend, since they are going to be starting a new weekly high of $1.49. So drop a comment down below. Tell me which stocks you guys are interested in for this week. Which ones do you think will have the most potential to run up? And while you're down there, make sure you hit that thumbs up. Definitely helps the YouTube algorithm promote the videos. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.